On the new executive order that Governor Lamont is about to sign, we go to Channel 3's chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff to explain how this is going to help renters. Susan?
Kara, good afternoon. Ever since the coronavirus outbreak, there has been a lot of support and programs to help people. We've seen all sorts of relief for things like homeowners, small businesses, and unemployment insurance. But now renters are going to be included in that. That's something that many renters felt that they were left out of. And Governor Lamont says it's important that those who have lost their jobs and may not be able to pay their rent, that there be some help for them. In a teleconference this morning, Governor Lamont says he plans to sign another executive order today, which would give a 60-day grace period, which means they wouldn't have to pay rent for April and May. When that goes into effect, we believe the order will be signed sometime today. As for social distancing, Governor Lamont says we seem to be doing better with that, but this is certainly not the time to let our guard down.
We're fighting a war against this virus. It's the invisible enemy, and we're going to win this war. And I've heard a little bit of that over the last few days. I've gotten lots of notes from folks, emails, texts saying, we have won the war. It's time for me to reopen my bar, time for me to reopen my restaurant, time for me to reopen my barber shop. The president loves to use the war analogy as well. We're winning the war, we're mobilizing for the war. And I just got to remind people that this silent enemy doesn't just surrender.
Governor Lamont also said today he wants to help those who receive social services. Those are SNAP benefits, and there will be more relief for them. He also wished everyone a happy Passover and Easter. As you know, Easter is this Sunday, but he encouraged people to keep up the social distancing and limit gatherings up to 5 people or less. And as you mentioned, the governor said yesterday that schools will remain closed. That is the plan until May 20th, along with restaurants and shopping malls. And that is something that he feels is important. When that will change, that is not going to happen, at least not now. So all of that is going to happen. And he believes that the social distancing and providing relief to as many people as they need it is important. Kara, back to you.
Thank you.